welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. How you guys doing? In today's video, I'm about to do sweater nails. That's what it's called. I really don't know, but at the end of the video, you guys will know the kind of nails that I came up with. This nail is for my little sister because it's her birthday. So she gave me the style and I decided to do it for her. So relax and enjoy watching this video, okay? I already applied my primers. Now I'm applying my base coat. After applying my base coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. That's my clear nude. Because yeah, it's clear, just clear nude. And that's my skin color nude. That's my bombshell clear. And I have my rubbing alcohol. So what I'm gonna do, that's my brush. She needed like a nude design, so that was what I gave to her. So you guys just watch and see what I came up with. So I'm gonna apply the nude on the nails. After applying the nude on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So whenever you're applying your poly gel, you need your rubbing alcohol or your sleep solution because polygel is really sticky. So whenever you are working with polygel, you need a rubbing alcohol. So I'm just going to apply, just going to build the polygel on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let me give a warm welcome to my subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like after watching the videos. Don't forget to share and don't forget to comment. Okay? To my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. In this channel, we do polygel nails. You guys will not regret coming to my channel. Okay, if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and then turn up post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, thank you so much. If today is also your first time of just coming across this video, please stay back. Okay, don't just watch and leave. Stay back by subscribing and enjoy every videos that will come to this channel. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Please, I'm begging you guys to get me to 100 subscribers before the end of this month, and I will be very grateful. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the clear nude on the nails. I'm going to apply it on the pinky and also on the index finger. Okay, so I'm just going to apply just one coat because I'm going to have put a design on those nails. Okay, if there's any video ideas you guys have for me to do, just put it down in the comment section. I will be glad to do the videos for you guys. And also, if you want me to do a video a review on my product, just let me know the product that I use, where I get them from. Let me know in the comment section and I'll upload that video for you guys. Okay. So now I'm going to apply my clear polygel. After applying my clear polygel, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I always apply clear polygel to all my nails because it helps me when I file, so that I don't file out the color of the polygel. So that's after applying the polygel and then curing it for 60 seconds. So that's the nails. I have my rubber knuckle. I'm just going to use it to clean the surface of the nails so that when I file, it doesn't damage my nails. Guys, if at this time you are still watching my video and you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and then turn on post notification bell so that when I post any video, you will get notified. This channel is all about polygel, and I believe you will enjoy every content that I put up. Okay, so I'm just gonna file the nails. I'm gonna keep filing and filing to the shape that I want, and then after filing, I will use my drill bit just to smooth the surface of the nails. Okay, just watch me as I do this. So after using my hand file to file the nails, I went in with my cuticle drill bit just to file around the cuticle areas. Okay, guys, whenever you are doing this, you need to be very careful so you don't cut through the person's nails. Okay, and also don't put too much pressure on the file. Okay, the electric file, don't put too much pressure so you don't cut through the person's nails. So that's my sanding band. I'm just going to use it to smoothing out the surface of the nails. Okay, guys, all the items that I use, all the product that I use are going to be in the description box. Okay, if you guys need it, just click on the link and it's going to take you directly to the place that I got the stuff from. Okay, so now I went in with my buffer and I'm just using it to buff all the nails. Okay, so I always do this for my nails to come out really smooth, so that when I apply the top coat, I will not have any obstruction on the way. So guys, I'm doing the sweater nails. That's my acrylic. What I showed you guys before, I don't know what that is called. I said in my previous video. That's my matte top coat, my regular top coat, my nail polish, my rhinestone gel, my top coat, my other top coat, my brushes and my brush and my liner, and my little diamonds, and my plates, my rhinestone. I have another rhinestone. So I'm just going to apply the matte coat on the I'm going to apply the matte coat on the pinky and also on the index finger. I want it matte so that when I apply the sweater design, it sticks to it, okay? So just watch me as I do this. I'm pouring my acrylic, so I'm just going to use that to apply the acrylic on the nails. I'm just going to draw a little dots on the nails, and then I'll connect each dot, okay? Just watch me as I do this. I don't know how to explain this, like I'm stammering, but just watch me, okay? It was fun. So guys, I'll apply the gel polish on the nails, and then I'll connect those lines, those little lines. And then after connecting them, I'll pour my acrylic on the nails. After pouring my acrylic on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. You have to pour your acrylic before you cure, because when you cure, you can pour your acrylic because your nail polish is dried up already. So I'm just going to draw another line on both sides of the nails, and then pour the acrylic and cure it for 60 seconds. After curing it for 60 seconds, I'll dust it out, and then you guys will see the look of the nails. This design was easy for me, even though I don't know how to design, but it was easy, okay? So trust me guys, you guys can do this. If I can do it, you can do it, because I'm not good at drawing. I'm not good at designing anything. So that's my rhinestone. I'm just going to apply the, no, sorry, not the rhinestone, the rhinestone gel. I'm going to apply it on all the nails, apply my top coat. I don't cure it. I'm just going to dip a finger inside the diamonds, okay? And then after doing that, I'll fix the diamond really good, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, it is not easy to do a voiceover. I am tired. It's 2 a.m. and I am 2 a.m. in the morning, and I am doing this. Guys, if you know you love me, go and subscribe, share my videos, and most importantly, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you get notified. It's not easy to put out all this content. My mates are sleeping and I'm awake. So guys, please support this channel. If there's anything I'm not doing right, put it down in the comment section and I'll be glad to change my way, okay? So now I'm just going to apply my top coat. After applying my top coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds, and then you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails. So now I'm going to apply my cuticle oil on all the nails. So guys, this is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.